All right, I hope everybody's having a great Friday. Cinco de Mayo is coming up. And so today we're gonna show you an awesome little sauce, a cilantro lime mayo.
Do you see how quick that was? That's insane, dude. But supposedly coconut oil is the healthiest oil for you.
That's really good.
Dude, that was good.
That's right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now let's start cooking. All right, on this awesome Friday, it's almost Cinco. It's that happens on Sunday.
Yeah, just a few days away.
Yeah, so we decided to make a little mayo, a flavored mayo, cilantro lime, which is perfect for elote.
Oh yeah.
Tortas, which are Mexican sandwich. Whoa, and
Careful.
tacos, fish tacos, or just any kind of sandwich. It's a good flavor.
It really is great for anything. You could even really use it as a salad dressing too.
Yes, totally. And it's quite easy. I know we've done mayo before, but this is kind of a flavored one. And so let's start, of course, with our egg.
Beautiful. We'll go ahead and get this lime going for you too.
Yes.
You're gonna need that here in a second.
Yes, so we're first things here, I got a knife right here.
Oh, I just didn't want to steal your knife.
No, that was actually for you. I stole it from you.
Oh.
So we're gonna take our egg and we're gonna put it in there. Just one egg is all we need. He's gonna be doing some lime juice. We're doing what, 2 tablespoons?
1 tablespoon. 1
ounce, 2 tablespoons.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
Confusing me. So we're gonna take a half a teaspoon of cumin, which is a really, not human. And a half teaspoon of smoked salt, because I like the little salt. Well, I like the salty, but I also like the smokiness that it adds to it. And of course, we're gonna be using our stick blender. It's one of my favorite things.
Yeah, that stick blender, you gotta get you one.
Oh, you need more lime.
Yeah, I need a little more lime.
All right, while he's still juicing the lime, I'm gonna take our oil. We're using this coconut oil that doesn't solidify.
Yeah.
You can also use avocado oil or any oil,
But supposedly coconut oil is the healthiest oil for you.
yeah, and we want healthy mayo.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's that simple. All right. Now, well, should have pre-done the limes.
Well, lime is ready.
Oh, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and
some garlic.
Yep.
Let me start working this onion for you.
Oh, I already got some chopped up.
Okay,
That's
sweet.
Just an example.
Cool.
You can go ahead and throw in the lime juice in there. So you're gonna start off with putting everything in there. We're just gonna take, I like to grate because it'll start breaking up the oils.
And this is a great idea.
That's so funny.
Yeah, and actually when we did our first mayo video, we meant to do this.
Yes. And
Grate the garlic into it, but you know, sometimes you just make changes on the fly, so.
Yeah, there we go. Our garlic's in there, set that aside.
And for you non-restaurant people, on the fly doesn't mean on a fly. It means quickly.
All right, you wanna rip off about a half a cup of the cilantro. And I have 2 tablespoons of diced onion. Just drop that in there. Yeah, just give it and
chop it.
Yeah, you want to give it a little chop. Now we're gonna take our immersion blender, stick it right on top of that egg yolk.
This is the smallest knife possible.
Yeah, that's probably good. And the thing is, you're gonna want to set this on top. It's about layering, because you're gonna start it, and you'll see a little poof of white.
Yeah.
That's the emulsification. And for about 10 seconds, leave it down, and then start working your way up. And
yeah, this is a great technique for mayo, honestly.
look at this. See, already.
Yep.
And you just slowly work it up. Now you're chopping everything up.
Yep. Look at that. That's crazy.
There we go. That's literally how easy it is.
Do you see how quick that was? That's insane, dude.
And now you have cilantro lime mayo.
Yeah,
for
dude.
all your uses. Grab a little spoon. You want to taste?
Yeah, I was kind of hoping we had some chips or something.
Whoa. That's good.
Oh, goodness. Ooh.
Right on a torta, and we're gonna be making some elote in a little bit.
Yeah.
What's the word you're using? Guys, fresh
Yeah, we're using that
cilantro
on our
lime
elote.
mayo. As simple as that, and you saw it right before your eyes.
Man, dude, that is awesome. That's a great recipe, man.
Yeah, and so simple. Stick blender, that's all you need.
And do you see how easy that technique is?
I know, and it does get like a lot of mayo recipes and making aiolis and everything.
Yeah.
Usually either have to do it by hand in a big blender.
Yep.
And I've seen it break plenty of times, but so
Me too.
far with the stick blender technique,
Haven't broke it a single time.
no, and we've even done hollandaise sauce with it.
Yep.
Like, if you don't have a stick blender, I do recommend going out and get one. You don't have to get wireless. They're about 20, 30 bucks.
Yeah.
And trust me, once you start using one, you'll be like, oh, that's
Yeah.
perfect. You can do soups, everything, love it.
Yeah, and this even has a whisk attachment too, so you could do whipped cream.
Yeah,
or
this
you
one.
can do the mason jar
You
whipped
can
cream,
even
but
change it.
whoa.
But give this a try. I mean, if you're gonna make any,
Yeah.
even on a fish taco, a salmon taco with that drizzle on it.
Yeah, and get creative. Make a special mayo that you just come
Yeah,
up
you'll
with.
see
Do a
how
special
easy.
flavor.
You can
I mean-
add different seasonings if you want it a
Yeah.
little spicy. Put some,
Cayenne?
yes, cayenne, some chili flake,
Yeah.
jalapenos, diced jalapenos in there would have been good.
It would have been.
Awesome. I'm happy about that.
Me too.
I'm excited for the elote.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Nice.
Okay, well, let us know if you try this out or if you make any changes. Let us know what you do.
Yes, and remember always, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.